Sahjanan Global School Balasinor. Today we are going to learn subject maths standard 5 topic the fish tail. From the beginning of chapter, a lovely poem given. This special poem in 3 lines is called haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake. Do you know any poem about fish? Here are some drawings made by children. When you think of fishes, what shapes come to your mind? So you have to try to use square and a triangle to draw a fish. Now we can use triangle and square. We can draw a different kind of fish. Now here another point is there. Comparison between small fish and big fish. Now see here, small fish, it is of 1 centimeter, big fish it is of 18 meter. Here question is there, how much big whale shark is than small fish? Here units are not same, so we will convert it into same unit. Okay, we have to convert it into same unit. So here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 18 meter is equal to how many centimeter? So here we have to multiply by 100. 18 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 1800 centimeter. Now the biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale, but it is a big fish. Whale are different from fish. Okay, whale are different from fish. Okay, so here how whale are different from fish? Whale shark and fish. Whale shark and fish. Whale shark, here whale shark is there. Whale shark breathe with nose, while fish breathe with gills. They lay eggs also. Okay, now here whale shark, what is the, do you know what is the weight of whale shark? Can you imagine how much weight of whale shark? The weight of whale shark about 16,000 kg. The weight of whale shark about 16,000 kg. So about how many kilogram do you weight? So each and every student are not equal weight. So here suppose average weight is 40 kg. Okay, means average weight is 40 kilogram. So here question is there, we have to find out the 12 students weight. Okay, so 12 students like you put together will weight about blank kilogram. Now how we solve this sum? Now here solution is given to you. Now weight of one children 40 kg. Weight of one children is equal to 40 kg, means kilogram, 40 kilogram. So weight of 12 children is equal to what? So 12 multiply 40 kilogram. So we have to do here multiplication. So 12 multiply 40, so answer will be 480 kilogram. Now here another question is there about how much more does the whale shark weight than 12 children like you put together. About how much more does the whale shark weight than 12 children like you put together. Now solution is there. How we solve this sum? The solution is there. The weight of 12 children is equal to 480 kg. So the weight of whale shark is equal to how much? 16,000 kg. But we have to find out about how much more does the whale shark weight than 12 children like you put together. Okay. Now 16,000 kg minus 480 kg. So answer will be there. Here see 0 minus 0 0. So 0 minus is not possible. So we borrow from 0, but 0 have nothing. So we borrow from 6. So 5 will be there. Now here 10 upside 9. Now here 10 will be there. 10 minus it is equal to 2. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 5 as it is, 1 as it is. So what is the answer? 15,520 kilogram. Now another point, the fish tail. Another point is there, fish tail. Fish tail. To see the difference between whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see the fish tail stand flat along its body? But the tail of the whale almost looks like two legs. Can you spot the fish in the picture? Now another point is there, schools of fish. Schools of fish. Fish like to swim together. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called school of fish. I repeat, fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called school of fish. In their school, they feel safe from the bigger fish. Each and every fish will be safe from bigger fish in the school of fish. In their school, they feel safe from the bigger fish. Now here picture is there. Downside, this is thematic chapter which present to children the world of fish and fish workers through an integrated approach. Mathematical concepts such as shapes, estimate, sense of large numbers, simple operations, speed, loans, etc. are woven into real life context to allow a creative revision of some ideas learned earlier. Now school of fish understood? Yes. Now here some picture is given to you. Some pictures are given to you. To scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. See here, picture of fish. Jinsi used these shapes to make drawing of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw a different sea animals shown below. Now you have to draw this type of picture. See here, sea urchin, lobster, red snapper, eel. Okay, this type of fish are there. Another point, so see here, types of fish, different kind of fish we can see in this picture, different kind of fish. See here, octopus, calm, parrotfish, prawn, cuttlefish, jellyfish, squid, silver pomfret, silver pomfret, crab. Which of these sea animals have you seen before? Another point, fishermen in their boats. Fisherman goes into the sea in search of fish. How many of you have seen the sea? Most of the students have seen this sea, but some students are not seeing that this kind of sea. Where did you see? Did you see it in movie or for real? How deep do you think the sea could be? Find out. Anybody think how much deep sea? How much deep sea? Do you know how to swim? Some students know how to swim in swimming pool. Would you be scared of high sea waves? Are you afraid of high sea waves? Some students are afraid of high waves and some students are not afraid of high waves. Now here pictures is there. We imagine that there are fishermen in their boats going up and down with the waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. Some people go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tides and strong wind, then these fishermen have a very difficult time. If so much high waves at that time, simple boat cannot use to find out fish in the sea. So fishermen have a very difficult time to catch fish. Now here pictures are given to you. Logboat and another logboats are picture is given to you, logboat. Now here these logboats do not go very far away. The simple boat cannot go very far away. So if the wind is helpful, at that time they travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. In only 4 kilometer in 1 hour. If the wind is helpful to fishermen, at that time they travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Now your question is there, how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? What? 10 kilometer. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? See here what is given and what we have to find out. Now logboat travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Question is there. No, sorry. Given what is given, logboats travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. So how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? Now what is given here? Given speed of logboat. Speed of logboat 4 kilometer per hour. Speed of logboat is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So here we have to use unitary method. What we use? We have to use unitary method. 4 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. So So 10 kilometer is equal to how many hour? So we have to multiply here. 1 multiply 10 divided by 4. So 1 10 ja 10 divided by 4. So 10 divided by 4. So we have to do divide sum here. 4 2 ja 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Put point and bring down 0. So here 20 is there. So we have to speak again table of 4 up to 20. 4 5 are 20. 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 2 0. Now so answer will be there. It took 2.5 hour to travel 10 kilometer. It took 2.5 hour to travel 10 kilometer. Understood up to this? Okay. Bye.